welcome to my channel. My name is Mina. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this mohair skinny scarf. I originally got the idea to make a skinny scarf after seeing Monica in Friends. I know that big chunky scarves have been very popular, but I thought there was something very simple and elegant about this scarf. After doing a quick search, I found this picture of Alexa Chung in a Prada skinny scarf. I know this scarf is a different color and made from a different material, but I was inspired more by the understated elegance of it, and I really wanted to make a scarf that had the same kind of vibe. Okay, let's get started. For this project, you will need lace weight mohair yarn. I'm using this 70% kid mohair, 30% silk blend, but you can use a mohair and acrylic blend as well. Some 3.5mm needles. The recommended needles for this yarn is actually 4.5 to 5mm. So you can certainly use a larger size. Your scarf will just be a bit more airy looking. A tapestry needle or a crochet hook to weave in the ends, and a pair of sharp scissors. Cast on 30 stitches. I'm using the long tail cast on method, but you can use any method that you like. From here, we are going to work in 3x3 rib. We are going to knit 3, purl 3 to the end of the row. If you are new to ribbing and want to learn about it, check out my ribbing for beginners video. I'll add it as a suggested video. I did find it a bit hard working with this very fine yarn at first, but after a while I got used to it. But I do apologize if it's difficult to see because it is very fine and white. Now we are up to row 2. For this pattern, every single row is the same. We knit 3, purl 3 to the end of the row. There is no need to keep track of which row you are on. Now you can sit back with a cup of tea, watch your favourite show and knit away. Once your scarf is the desired length or you run out of yarn, you can bind off. We have to bind off in pattern. This means knitting the knits and purling the pearls as we bind off. Now to weave in the ends. Use a tapestry needle or crochet hook to follow the path of the pattern for a few centimeters, then cut off your yarn. I'm really happy with the way this scarf has turned out. I think I achieved the look that I was after. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did find it useful, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future knitting videos. And if there is a tutorial that you'd like to see, let me know and I'll see what I can do. Okay, thank you and I'll see you next time. Bye.